Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed? What is our lesson name, children? Yes, we started our lesson 3. Lesson 3. In that, we are discussing about my needs about food. We are discussing about food. Am I right, children? Yes. So, what are the different foods we need, children? Yes, we need food for energy. We discussed about food that gives you energy and protection giving food and body building food. These are the different types of food which is need to us. Yes, children. So go and bring your studio book. In that, open page number 37. Page number 37. Yes. So now I am going to read from here onwards bodybuilding food. So keep your fingers where I am reading, children. So in the last video we discussed about foods about bodybuilding food. So today I am going to read this textbook part. After that we will continue our lesson. So keep your fingers where I am reading, children. Some foods, in that open page number 37. Studio book, open page number 37. Yes. Some foods help to build, grow and repair our bones, muscles and other body parts. These foods are also called bodybuilding foods. Pulses are sweets that can be eaten and rich in bodybuilding nutrients. Examples include chickpeas, kidney beans, red gram, black gram and green gram. Food from animals like meat from cows, goats and hens and eggs and milk are also good bodybuilding foods. Here the picture is there. See here the bodybuilding foods. Yes, meat, pulses, fish, eggs, nuts. So all these are bodybuilding foods. Understand, children? Next, nuts are very nutritious and give a lot of energy. They are considered healthy snacks. They are considered as healthy snacks. Nuts include pistachios, walnuts, raisins, peanuts, almonds and cashew nuts. Eating a variety of food takes care of the different needs of the body. So we have to eat variety of foods. Turn the page, children. Here we are having a small exercise is there. Yes, we have to finish this puzzle here. Open page number 38. Yes, children. Open page number 38. What is that question? Who am I? Solve the word puzzle to find out. So we have to find out that puzzle. What is that one? I come from a cow. I come from a cow. I am white. I help to build your bones nice and strong. Who am I? Who am I? So what is that? I come from a cow. Cow. So what is coming from cow? I am white. It is in which color? White. And I help to build your bones nice and strong. Who am I? What is that one? Yes. Here he gave the puzzle. That first one. So it is how many letters? How many blocks are there? 4 blocks are there. So what is that one? Coming from cow and it is in white. So what is that one, children? That is very good. Milk. What is that one? Milk. Write down, children. Milk. Write down. Next puzzle. So coming from cow, it is in which color? White color. And it helps the body, it builds your body and makes our bones strong. So milk makes our bones nice and strong. So you have to write milk. Right, children? Next. Another puzzle is there. I grow below the ground. I grow below the ground. I am great on salad. I am great on a salad. And I help you fight diseases. Who am I? Yes. Here how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second one, 6 are there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 blocks are there, and what it is? What they are saying? I grow below the ground. Below the ground. I am great on a salad. I am great on a salad. Below the ground, what are the different food items? Yes, below the ground. Potatoes. Potatoes we can eat raw. It is good on salad? No. So what are the different food items that grows on under the ground? Tell me, children. Yes, under the ground, which is there and which fights against the disease. It is very good for health. What is that one? Very good. That is nothing but carrot. What it is? Carrot. Yes, carrot is very good on salad, and it fights against the diseases. It fights against the diseases. So what you have to write here? 6 letters are there now. You have to write here. It is nothing but carrot. Write down, children. Carrot. It is nothing but carrot. Carrot grows under the ground and which fights against the diseases. Write down, children. Next, one more block is there. Write down fast. Yes. Next, the third one. I come from coconuts, olives, vegetables and more. I am a good dose of fat. Who am I? It is in how many blocks? Third one. 3. One, 2, 3. So, which gives you fat? What are those things? Tell me. Ghee. For example, ghee we thought. How many should be there? 4. There are no 4 blocks. I come from coconuts. Coconuts, olives, vegetables and more. What is that one? Yes. From coconuts, coconut oil, olive oil. From vegetables also we will get that oil. Yes. So what you have to write here in the third one? Oil. What is that one? Oil. Write down, children. Write down fast. Yes, down here we are having companion work. Before also we are having a companion work. I will explain you later. After finishing this lesson, I will explain you the companion part. Okay, children? Don't worry about your companion work. Okay? First we will finish this studio, then we will go for the companion. Okay, children? Write down fast. Then we will go to the next one. Next, what is there? We have to conduct a fighting between healthy food and junk food. Yes, children? So, healthy food versus junk food. Yes. Finished everyone? Otherwise, pause your video and you can write. That is about bodybuilding food. Up to here, all of you understand, children? Yes. Next one is healthy food versus junk food. So, which one is good? Healthy food or junk food? But which one is tasty? Healthy or junk? Tell me, children. How many of you like healthy food and how many of you like junk food? Yes. So next one is next topic is in that lesson, healthy food versus junk food. Yes, children, tell me which one is good for your health. Which one is good for your health? Healthy or junk? I will write here healthy food, junk food. Then you can understand easily. So, in healthy food, what are there? Healthy food contains a lot of nutrients. Lot of nutrients. Coming to junk food. In junk food, what are there? Lot of oil, sugar, spices, yes, and healthy food makes you strong. Am I right, children? Yes, it helps you to the bodybuilding. And helps you to fight against the diseases also. What about junk foods? It makes you unhealthy. And you will become fat because a lot of oil, sugar, candies, so many different types of junk foods are there. So if you are eating regularly the junk food, what will happen? You may definitely fall ill. Yes, coming to healthy food. What are there in your healthy food? So many different types of vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses. All these are good for your health only. It helps you to strong bodybuilding. It helps for your better growth. Yes. So what about junk food? Nothing you will get from the junk food. You will become sick when you are regularly eating the junk food. Am I right, children? But the junk food is tasty. Why? Why, children? It contains lot of sugar, lot of oil, lot of cheese, so many ingredients they will use, spices. So The junk food is tasty only, but it is not at all good for your health. Fruits, coming to fruits, vegetables, these foods will fight against the diseases also. Fight against diseases also. Yes, but coming to junk food, it will makes you to fall ill. You may fall ill. Yes, so leafy vegetables helps you in many ways. Yes, those are contains nutrients and also if your vitamins also there in the healthy food. Am I right, children? Junk food makes you to become fat. Here some pictures are there. I will show you the pictures. Open your textbook, children, page number 39. Here we are having some pictures regarding this healthy and junk food. See, keep your fingers where I am reading here. Healthy food includes those food that provides essential nutrients to the body. It keeps our body fit and healthy. Healthy food is essential for proper growth and maintenance of the body. Eating healthy food makes us stronger, sharper and better. Yes, children, here the examples for healthy foods: leafy vegetables and nuts, fruits, cereals, pulses are there. Next, junk food are foods that are not good for us. Excess of sugar, salt and fats in food can lead to health problems. You may face a lot of health problems because of the junk food. Yeah, am I right, children? These foods are tasty but contain fewer nutrients and oily and fried foods such as burgers, pizzas and chips are common examples of junk food. Yes, so tell me some examples, children. What you are eating, tell me. So here are some examples: pizzas, burgers, fried chips. The deep fried food item, we can call it as junk food. Sugary foods such as candies, beverages, chocolates and donuts are also types of junk foods. Candies, different types of candies are there. Yes, children, how many of you are eating candies? Those are contain lots of sugar, and donuts are also having lot of sweet. And coming to beverages are nothing but beverages example is a coffee or tea and some drinks. Those we can call it as beverages. Those are also not good for health. Chocolates, all of you know about chocolates. Turn your page, children. Here we are having a small exercise. See here, page number 40. Page number 40, open in your studio book. Here we are having a small exercise. We have to do it. Make your way through the maze. Here he gave a maze. So we have to make our way by following only the healthy food. What you have to follow here? You should follow the healthy food. You may move up, down, left, right or diagonal. Here you have to start, or you want to go straight, you can go, or if you want to move up, you can move, or if you want to follow the diagonal, you can follow the diagonal. But you have to start from here and you have to finish here. Yes. So how you want to follow? I will go through like this, from apple to watermelon, carrot, Like that only you have to start from here. You can move either side or diagonal, up or down. Okay. And then I will go for grapes. Yes, children. Then I will go to strawberry. Yes. And I will finish my maize here. Like that you can follow. From here if you want to follow, you can follow. From here pineapple to watermelon. Yes, watermelon to carrot, carrot to grapes. Whatever you want to go, you can go. Yes, children? Understand? Next you can go to strawberry. Like that only you can come. But you have to follow you have to go through the healthy food only. Fruits and whatever vegetables. Here some vegetables are also there. Cabbage, lemon. Yes, children, you have to follow you have to go through the healthy food items. After that, what is there? At the finish line, there is an empty plate. Here we are having an empty plate. Yes, children? Yes. What we have to do for this, we will see here. Yes. Draw or stick pictures of any one energy giving food, protection giving food, and body building food of your choice from the maize. Here you can paste energy giving food. What you can paste here? Energy giving. Yes. Milk you can. Yes. You can keep milk here. You can draw the milk packet, or you can you can cut the picture and paste here. Next, protection giving food. You can paste fruit, any fruit here. Apple is there, protection giving. A carrot is also protection giving. A grapes you can paste, or you can draw the picture also. Coming to bodybuilding giving food. Bodybuilding, what you can paste here? Yes, here you can paste the fish meat. All these are bodybuilding food only. You can draw, otherwise you can draw. And now I will show you one chart regarding this healthy and junk food. Here are some pictures regarding healthy and junk food. See, children, is this healthy foods or junk food? All these are junk food only. Burger, pizza, yes, French fries, soft drinks, noodles, wrap, all these are junk foods. We cannot eat the junk foods. Understand, children? We should follow the healthy food. We should eat the healthy food items which I was shown in the last video. Yes, cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, all these food items you have to eat. So what is the homework for you? You have to read the textbook part from studio book, page number 37, from bodybuilding foods to healthy and junk food. You have to write this exercise part and you have to complete this maze also. Okay, children, that is the work for you. Tomorrow we will continue our lesson. Thank you, children. Bye bye.